Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell USDT on Bybit P2P. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see a bunch of different options in the top. So over here, you need to tap on More. Once done, you will be redirected on the services page where you just have to scroll down, and in the buy crypto option, you are going to see P2P trading. So you need to tap on the P2P trading option and then it will redirect you on this page where you are going to see a bunch of different sellers that you can use to sell your USDT. Now over here by default you will be on this buy option, but you will have to select it as sell. Then you need to select your currency in which you want to convert your USDT. After that, you will have to select any of the merchants who is giving you the best price. Then you will have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and after that you just have to add the payment method in which you want to receive your money. Then you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to sell your USDT on Bybit P2P. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.